I want to thank Mr. Ashwin Kumar for sharing his knowledge with me. I was a little later in life finding Gann. The first hidden cycle he shared with me was totally unexpected. After watching him demonstrate it numerous times, he had me find the cycle on my own charts. It worked really well and was very consistent in locating changes in the market. I really look forward to future lessons with Mr. Kumar. I feel he's the Gann teacher I've been looking for and really look forward to future lessons. I've been hearing about W D Gann for years, but have only recently started a search for a Gann mentor. I discovered Ashwin Kumar on YouTube one day and watched all of his reviews, which were all positive. After looking at his course outline, I made contact to see if he would mentor me. Our first session was very surprising when he introduced me to one of Gann's hidden cycles right off the bat and proceeded to show me on numerous charts of my choosing how to use it. His course includes everything Gann used, including the mathematics, astrology, and astronomy. His teaching style is to make sure you understand what he's showing you before he ends the lesson. I had spent countless hours trying to find the coded material in Gann's books and courses, but there was so much I couldn't find. I think anyone can learn Gann with the right mentor. I really made the right decision choosing Ashwin to mentor me. Having Ashwin point the way is a blessing. It'll shortcut what would take years to find. Having a mentor, I feel, will save me a lot of money by getting proper background and knowledge to trade by.
Okay. First, I'm going to start with the W D Gann thumb rules. You have to apply these rules on any contract, right? It is applicable on any contract like Forex, commodities, Indian stock market, Hong Kong, Hang Seng, anywhere. It is more reliable cycle. Okay. That we are finding from chart, but by the numbers, not by any technicals, right? We do not use technical, right?
Right.
In Gann, we have to use only numbers and mathematics, right?
Right.
Guys, can you give me any stock name? Which are you trading every day or more or often?
I stay more towards the grains, like soy meal.
Grains. What is the contract name, please? Give me the name. You can WhatsApp me also, so I can write here. My phone is near me. I have. Now, this is weekly chart, and the high. What is the high value here?
What are you asking now? The high, the weekly high.
Yes, weekly high. What is the value? 1.49401, right?
Right.
I have to mark it. Can you see the exit low here?
Yes.
Minus 1 day.
Yes.
Okay. This is inside bar. This is high. This is inside bar.
Right.
Right? This. Yeah. This is the inside bar. Because previous month high and low is not broken. Okay.
Yeah.
We will apply. You can on weekly chart also. Like this. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.